Hey guys, today I am finally sharing with you my guest bedroom tour. For those of you who have been following me along on this journey, then you would know that this room has taken me a couple months to decorate. This room is the first room that I decided to decorate in our new house. I kind of thought it would be my trial run, like with paint colors and just kind of figuring out what I wanted my style to be in this new house. Absolutely love the way every single thing turned out. And honestly, if it wasn't for you guys, I do not think I would be done yet because you guys gave me so many amazing suggestions and tips in past videos where I was kind of updating you guys on this whole process. So thank you for that. You will see during this tour that a lot of your ideas were implemented into this room. I will leave everything linked down below in the description box if you guys want any information on where all this stuff is from. So I really hope you guys love it, and let's just go ahead and get this tour started. First, right when you walk into the room, we kind of have this blank wall. I originally was going to do a letterboard on this wall that had our Wi-Fi password and everything on it and say welcome, which I still think that would be very adorable, but I just decided against it because I do have a lot of other things on the wall, and because this is the guest room, I want to keep things really simple and clean and not to have too much clutter around in the room. So when you come in, you can see we picked out this gorgeous bedding for this bed. I love this bedding so much. It's from Target and I did show it in a haul, but I love it. I think it goes so well with the bed frame. This bed frame was a huge challenge for this room. I didn't want to get a new bed. This is just a bed frame that we already had. It was the one I grew up with. I just wanted to keep it. A lot of you did suggest for me to paint it, which I did think was a really good idea. But I really just didn't feel like going through all of that. I just wanted it to work out. So I didn't end up painting it, and I feel like it really worked out well. This bedding just ended up being perfect for it. It's all Opalhouse from Target, and I just think it looks great because it has silver in it, and then it also has the cream color. I also got this throw pillow from that line, and then these sheets too, which I think are perfect because I love this little detailing that they have on them, and they also have it on the pillow, so I think it looks so cute. This throw blanket is also a part of the Opalhouse line, so I don't have to have this on the bed. If I want it to look a little brighter in here, I can always pop it on this chair in the corner, which I'll share with you guys next. This chair is also from the Opalhouse line. I loved it. I loved adding just a little bit of like a wood element into this room. I think it just makes it look, I don't know, just not so black and white everything. It just looks really nice. So I love this chair. I felt like it was perfect. This little throw pillow is also from Target, and I feel like it goes super well with the bedding. Some of you were suggesting that this chair, when I showed it in the haul, you guys were saying that it needs a throw blanket or something. So I thought I can even throw this throw blanket on the chair or something if I felt like I needed a little something more. But I really wanted to keep this chair just plain and simple because when guests are here, I want them just to be able to take the decorative pillows off the bed really easily and just have a place to put them. For the window treatments, I really like what we ended up picking out. I ended up just getting a plain simple black curtain rod from Target. It was super affordable, but I love it because it's just really simple, and I like having the black little accents in here. I just think it looks really cool. We also got these curtains from Target. Pretty much everything is from Target. I love these. They're just like a linen blend, and they're really pretty. I feel like they go with the bedding really nicely. That was something I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to find curtains that went well with the bed, but these ended up just being perfect, and I love them. I love that they still let a little bit of light come through. I just think it looks really pretty. Over here in this corner, I decided not to do a nightstand because, as you can tell, there's not a ton of room for a nightstand in this corner, and I just didn't want this room to feel super cramped or anything, and I have one on the other side that I'll show you guys in just a second. So I ended up just getting this garden stool, or I've had this garden stool. This is just from TJ Maxx, and it was really affordable. I think it was like $30. And then I found this little fiddle leaf plant This little fiddly fig tree, I think is what it's called. And this was at TJ Maxx for only like $30 too. So they did have a bigger one, which some of you in my last haul were saying like, get a bigger one for this corner. But honestly, it was just a little wide and overwhelming, and I kind of liked that this was still a little bit out of the way. That way there's still room for people to come over here. They have room to get in bed and whatever. I don't know. I just like that this didn't take up as much space. But I love using the plant as my color in the room, so I just think it looks really, really cool. And I do now want to get a bigger one of these to put in a different room. So on the opposite side of the bed, we just have like this plain blank wall here, and I was really kind of struggling with what to do on this wall. For a while I kind of wanted to do a round black mirror, but I wasn't able to find one. I still think I might switch it out to a round black mirror if I eventually find one, but for now I have this, and it was on clearance for $6 at TJ Maxx. So I couldn't really resist, and I feel like it goes with the bedding and just kind of the whole look of the room. In my last haul, if you guys saw that, you guys would have seen that this looked very uneven at the bottom and everything, and so many of you suggested that I just trim it up a little bit, and I did, and I feel like it looks so much better now. So I think it looks really cute for now, and yeah, I really like it. I just think it goes. Then over here, I got this awesome nightstand from Target. It was on clearance in my last haul again. If you guys saw the nightstand that I had gotten before, it was just a little bit too short. It did match the chair over in the corner perfectly, and a lot of you suggested that I actually put it over there, but it was just taking up a little too much space, and I didn't want it to feel crowded in here. So I found this one. It was on clearance, and this honestly is what I kind of originally envisioned in my head with something like this. I love the color of it, and I think it just kind of looks a little retro, and I think it looks really cool in this room. I love that this one has a drawer too and a little cubby at the bottom, so if I do want to put anything down there for guests, like extra blankets or whatever, it just looks really, really nice. Then on top of this little nightstand, I decided to put this little tray on here. This was also on clearance at Target for like $20, I think. But the reason why I wanted something like this color over here is just because I thought it would blend with the chair and kind of pull it all together, since the chair and this tray are like the same exact color. And then on top of it, I just decided to do one of the plants. If you guys saw one of my previous videos, I was kind of debating between doing this one plant, or I had another one that had like a little bit of yellow on it. But I just decided to do just the one, and I love the pop of color over here. And then this is a new frame from Target as well by the Opalhouse line. And in this frame, I am going to print something out that says like welcome, and that has our Wi-Fi password and info on here. I think that'll look really cute. And then for a lamp, I was really struggling with what to do because I had taken up so much space with the tray, and there really wasn't room to put one. So I remembered that I had got these from IKEA a while back. These are actually from our old house. If you guys are longtime subscribers, then you would remember these little lamps here. We had two of them on either side of our couch, and I think they're so cool. Like, I just love it so much. And I figure you really only need one little lamp in here, and that way somebody can just turn off the light over there and have this light on to get in bed and get situated and stuff. So I think it looks really, really cool, and the colors are literally perfect for this room. My favorite thing about this room are these pictures that we ended up putting up here, that Joshua ended up putting up. I think they look so cool, and the pictures are all like in squares, like kind of like Instagram pictures. So I think it looks really cool. I love the little black accents. And this is just my favorite part of the room. I also like that we did them a little bit higher because we do have these vaulted ceilings. It really seemed like we needed something to kind of draw your eyes up a little bit higher. And I feel like this, and also the curtains and curtain rod, really helped with that. It really helped to just pull the whole entire room together. Alright guys, so that is it for our guest bedroom tour. I really hope that you guys enjoyed checking it out. I love the way everything ended up turning out in this room, and I really hope that you guys did too. If you guys love these decorating videos, please make sure to click the like button down below for me. Subscribe if you are ready for some more decorating videos, and don't forget to comment below and let me know which room in my house that you guys would love to see me decorate next. So I hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Okay.